It's Wall Street Pete. Ha ha. Every single day, talk about this TA. I'm the captain of the ship. Might as well come and skip by the dip and then have a rip. I know, no lie. Used to work out in open cry. Everybody wants to know why. Wall Street was the place I live. Pay attention to mention, bitch. I sold my pension. Bought the crypto. Now you know. Everybody wanna hit in the studio. Buy the dip. It's an opportunity if you didn't know what you do to me. All the emotion, feeling like a little fish in the ocean. I just bought crypto. I'm about to flip though. Where is my Lambo? Where is my Lambo? Ha! I think I'm rich. I'm getting an itch. What do you think? Just call me my bitch. Ha ha ha.
Good morning, Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? You hit that like, subscribe. We enjoy music, positivity, fun. Talk about some crypto news every single day we possibly can. How's everybody doing today? It's hump day. I thought it was Tuesday. It's actually Wednesday. I believe there's 100,000K move coming. I know it's going to take patience, but every 4 years there's something that's happening in the charts. I'd love to go over, and if you hit the bell notification, you can chat in the live chat. Anwar, good morning. Hugh, what's going on? Good morning to you as well. Plan B, blue, minus 70% from the all-time high. If you pay attention to this 200-week moving average, I think it's a big deal. I think this is an excellent chart, something to show on the previous history back when. And it's saying the last bull market was for ants. Isn't that hilarious? 100K before the blue IMO. So if we pay attention to what's happening in the past, every single time we've had a little bit of issue here coming down, as currently we are right about here. There is a little bit more down play to go. If you watch Wall Street P, you'll know we've been hitting it heads on. And if you see, we are not currently falling below. I do love Plan B. Twitter, if you follow him, does have a nice chart and it does look like we have a little bit more to go. So that kind of concerns me. Something you may want to pay attention to. But if you look at this, we finish a candle daily above, lower than that. I'm going to see something lower. We're going to have to be talking about buying in this 35,000 zone. So understand that's what's going to result. That's what happens. Those are the sequences. So pay attention to the sequence of this chart. I think it's very, very important for you to see in detail. We may be okay. So what's going to happen here is we either get this 50,000 jump, see what happens. We'll talk about when we get there. If not, we're going to be establishing something lower out of this trend. We're going to talk about this if it does happen. I will go live. So there you have it. 2 days ago, video I did for you, I said we were trading 39,000 and higher, almost 40,000. I said this part. What happened after that? Well, let's look at the chart. Well, damn, this gentleman's getting pretty good at what he does. He's been pretty good, so... Mike, what day is it? So if you pay attention, definitely to mention, not financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. Do your own research. You'll find out that we are pretty on point here. We're going to go into the charts now. Enough of this fun stuff here. But if you look 5 years ago, yesterday, and it's kind of cool, Bitcoin, $526. What's going to happen in 5 years from now? Not really sure, but if you could have bought Ethereum, one Ethereum at $12.35, I would have emptied my piggy bank account. I would have emptied everything I could. I would have gotten 10 jobs. I would have gotten no sleep and kept working until I could add to the Dogecoin, BNB. Whatever you may see here as BNB is now almost $400. So imagine 4 times almost. It's not exactly, obviously, you see the 50-cent mark there, halftime. So pay attention, though. But what's going to happen in 5 more years, ladies and gentlemen? This is why you hit the like. This is why you hit the subscribe button. We do things, we make you think a little bit. 2.71% down, 1.77 total crypto market cap. Unfortunately, Bitcoin, what is the narrative in this story? We are constantly down. It's getting old. It's getting very old. Almost 40 billion in volume. I remember 2 days ago we did a video. I said this must need to double. It was 25 billion. Well, you're looking at almost 40 billion in volume in the crypto total of Bitcoin. So pay attention to that. In the last 24 hours, we are pumping. I do believe something's going to happen. Let's get to it, right? Let's get to the charts. This is what everyone wants to pay attention to. This is a big chart. 20 2014 increments of 4 years ago, every leap year, if you pay attention to what is happening. Seems in the fall, September, we have gotten this fall. And what was it? Well, we're going to talk about these prices. I know we talked about 5 years ago. We don't want to talk about 650 here. But pay attention to this right now. I need you to understand this. We fell, and in September, in that area, we were $500 all the way down to $150, $46. Understand that high volatility. A lot of people got sick. A lot of people lost a lot of money. What then began to go on was one of the biggest moves you've ever seen Bitcoin do. Okay, which now takes us to another 4 years of 2018, ladies and gentlemen, the 4-year cycle. What is happening? It's 2022 now, so we're going 4 years into that. Well, that's now, so that's kind of exciting, right? If we get into the September timeframe, one more time into the fall, and we see what happened in 2018 as we came all the way down and came through to 3,000 Bitcoin, which would have made you sick because you would have thought it was Ethereum. Well, now we're talking about what happened after that in the 4-year time frame. Well, you already know, you were a part of this. It went to the 14,000 you didn't know, came through, and then what? Well, now look at this parabolic move, which I'll tell you right now, there's no way in hell it will not take us to 100K. So if you were sleeping, I'm sorry to wake you up, but pay attention, depth of dimension. This is now where we are. This is what we're talking about, the 4-year cycle since then. And now 2022, what has happened? Well, if you look at this weekly chart on TradingView, would you look at that? Would you look at that? I feel like Ed Bassmaster. Would you look at that? Or would you look at this? Yeah, take a look at this. I do believe that 35,000, we're in trouble, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to have a little hissy fit. If you don't get a job, if you don't start accumulating more Bitcoin, if you do see here on the weekly, January 17th, 2022, January 24th, 2022, 36,000 exactly. 36,000. Somewhere in that realm, there you go, 36.3. Pay attention to this price because I do believe we're going to see this. It won't be done falling. What I think we're going to do is go into this phase. I don't know if the cycle is going to take us to September of 2022, but I'm explaining to you what I expect to happen. And then after that, you'll see the 4-year cycle come through. You're going to understand. And we're going to be talking about some catastrophic to the upside. It's called parabolic. So we're going to get a parabolic move to the upside. I'm excited. 48,000 is one of the biggest problems we have. If you pay attention, though, to this weekly cycle, I'm excited for it. I wanted to share this to everyone. Hope you liked the new song. I did have one with Elon. Here's the full version of the song. If you're interested, please let me know what you think about this, because Elon Musk spent $44 billion while everyone's starving, right? Let's hear it again. This is without the fun stuff. Yeah, it's crypto, it's Wall Street, every single day. Talk about this TA. I'm the captain of the ship, might as well come and skip by the dip and then have a rip. I know, no lie, used to work out in open cry. Everybody wants to know why Wall Street was the place I live. Pay attention to mention, bitch. I sold my pension, bought the crypto, now you know. Everybody wanna hit in the studio. Buy the dip, it's an opportunity. If you didn't know what you do to me, all the emotion, feeling like a little fish in the ocean. I just bought crypto, I'm about to flip though. Where is my Lambo? Where is my Lambo? I think I'm rich, I'm getting an itch. What do you think? Just call me my bitch. See, you remind me of everyone else. You greedy bitch, just like Elon Musk. How can you trust Elon Musk? 44 billion just for Twitter. I got a million people starving. What do you figure? 44 billion just for Twitter. I got a million people starving. What do you figure? I thought that was a pretty clever ending there. We didn't talk much about it. Elon Musk bought Twitter. Can't believe it. Freedom of speech, right? Just like Facebook. If you say the F word, if you say, oh, he's a douche, anything bad, they put you in Facebook jail. I guess that's what it was. But pay attention to the total crypto market cap. Pay attention to the 4-year cycle. Pay attention to Ethereum, right? Hit that like and subscribe when we go live. We're going to talk about a little more important things, a little more news coming in this. But what you got to pay attention to is the trend. The trend is your friend. New higher lows. Let's pay attention to Ethereum at the $2,800 level. It seems to be something where we're having trouble being able to break below, so I'm really happy with that. If we do fall below this 2,800 Ethereum now. If you pay attention, we have 4 days and 10 hours for the next weekly candle. That will represent where we're going to go next. So if we do fall below there, we're going to find out quickly. This weekly candle has had 1, 2, 3, 4 months. So 4 weeks, 1 month down. It's been one hell of a complete month for crypto. But if you pay attention, the last 3 weeks before that, Ethereum was making us think we were coming back all the way to that 4,700. And if you remember, in November, Thanksgiving time, I was preaching on Instagram, sell your Ethereum, dollar cost average out. I didn't say sell it all, and we did make a difference. So if you like this kind of thing, Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Gentlemen used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. It's going to take some time. We want to help people. This is for entertainment purposes, really. Some people do enjoy the TA, but understand you need to do your own research. You will get dominated. Putting a long position in, as long as we can see some growth coming into this weekly candle. It's getting to the end of April, so we have 4 days left, 3 days left into the end of the month, just about. We're going to talk about that. So in about 4 days, there's lots to talk about. So just a gentleman used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Love this place. It's now the Van Gogh Museum. Miss it very much. We're going to have a good day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. You already know. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification. I would like to go live. If we can get 100 likes, I want to go live. I want to talk about one new coin that's coming out that's really got my attention, and I'm trying to buy as much as I can. You already know. This is what we do. Take care.